Today we are going to learn theorems of chapter circles from class 9th with proof. I am Muskan and welcome to my channel Maths Meshes. So let's start. So our first theorem is that two equal chords of a circle suspend equal angles at the center. That means we are given that the chords are equal. मतलब ये वाली chord इसके equal है और हमें बताना है that is the angle suspended at the center. Center पे कौन सा angle suspend हो रहा है? ये वाला angle 1 and this angle 2. So we have to prove that angle 1 is equals to angle 2. So how can we prove it? By congruency rule. So in triangle AOB and triangle POQ, as it is given that AB is equals to PQ, chords are equal. Chords are equal. Given है already. And AO is equals to OP, radii of the circle. These are the radius of the circle. And OB is equals to OQ. These are also radius of the circle. So by SSS criteria, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle POQ. So by CPCT, we can say that angle 1 is equals to angle 2, right? Angle 1 is equals to angle 2. So we have to prove this only. So hence proof. Okay, fine. So let's move on the second theorem. So this is the converse of first theorem. जो हमने first theorem करी थी उसी का बिल्कुल converse है. तो इसमें क्या given है? That is the angle suspended at the center. That is angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. Angle जो है center पे वो equal है. We have to prove that the chords are equal. So we have to prove. क्या prove करना है हमें? To prove that AB is equals to PQ. We have to prove this, right? So now what we will do is in triangle AOB and triangle POQ, it is given that AO is equals to OP, radius, circle के radius है, right? And OB is equals to OQ, similarly radius of the circle, and angle 1 is equals to angle 2, that is given. ये हमें already given है, ठीक है? So by SAS criteria, we can say that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle POQ. Congruent है. So by CPCT, we can say that AB is equal to PQ. तो यही proof करना था. So this is the reverse of the first theorem. So hence proof. Let's move on the third theorem. So the third theorem is that is the perpendicular to the chord bisects the chord. Means जैसे जो center है, center से जो perpendicular आ रहा है, वो क्या कर रहा है? वो chord पे जो perpendicular आता है, वो chord को bisect कर देता है. That means what we have to prove is, we have to prove that AD is equals to DB. हमें ये prove करना है कि ये जो है equal है. So what can we do is we can take these two triangles. So in triangle ADO and triangle ODB, it is given that AO is equals to OB. ये क्या है हमारे? Radius of the circle, right? And OD is equals to OD, that is common, right? And angle ODA is equals to angle ODB, each 90 degree. Each 90 degree कैसे हुई? क्योंकि इन्होंने बोला है that is the perpendicular to the chord. Chord तक जो perpendicular आ रहा है, अगर ये perpendicular है, that means ODB and ODA दोनों क्या होंगे? 90 degree angle, right? So by कौन सा criteria लगा? RHS, मतलब क्या हुआ? Triangles are congruent to each other. So by CPCT we can say that AD is equals to DB by CPCT. So we can, by this we can prove that the perpendicular to the chord bisect the chords. जो perpendicular आ रहा है वो chord को bisect कर रहा है. So this proves our theorem. So hence proved. And our fourth theorem, which is the converse of the third theorem, जो हमने third theorem करी है उसी का converse है. That means अगर ये जो chords हैं वो bisect हैं, मतलब already bisect हो रखी हैं, then ये जो है जो chord है ये perpendicular है आपस में. That is the straight line passing through the center of the circle bisect the chord is perpendicular to the chord. ठीक है? जो straight line pass कर रही है through the center of the circle, center से एक straight line जो pass कर रही है to the bisect a chord, जो chord को already bisect कर रही है, वो क्या है, perpendicular है chord के, मतलब हमें क्या prove करना है, that is this angle 1 is equals to angle 2, यही prove करना है, और इसको 90 degree भी prove करना है. So what we will do is, in triangle ADO and ODB, it is given that AO is equals to OB, ये क्या है हमारे radius of the circle, right, and OD is equals to OD, this is common, है ना, and what is given that AD is equals to DB, ये कैसे equal है, already given in the theorem, right. So by, as you can see, तीनों sides है, so by side criteria, triangle ADO is congruent to triangle ODB. So by CPCT, angle 1 is equals to angle 2, and if angle 1 is equals to angle 2, so angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree by linear pair, right. So as angle 1 is equals to angle 2, can I write it as twice of angle 1 equal to 180? So angle 1 is 90 degree. So if angle 1 is 90 degree, angle 2 is also 90 degree. So we can say that this is perpendicular bisector. So this proves the theorem. So next theorem is, that is equal chords of the circle are equidistant from the center of the circle. जो chords, if the chords are equal, we have to prove that कि जो ये हमारा perpendicular distance है center से, ये भी क्या होगा, equal होगा, अगर chords equal है. Only if the chords are equal, then the perpendicular distance from the center is also equal, right. तो हमें already given है that is the chords are equal, तो हमें prove करना है, that is OP is equals to OQ prove करना है हमें to prove, ठीक है. So we'll take two triangles, in triangle OPB and triangle OQD. As you can see that OB is equals to OD. Why? Because they are the radius of the circle, and it is given that the chords are equal, and you already know that if the chords are equal, then the line from the center to the chord bisects the chords, मतलब chord को bisect कर रही है, so that means AB is equals to CD. So half of AB is equals to half of CD. So half of AB is, that is PB, right, and half of CD is, that is QD, right, that means ये भी equal है. So PB is equals to QD, and these are perpendicular bisectors, so angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Why? Because each 90 degree. So by RHS criteria, triangles are congruent to each other, they are congruent to each other. So by CPCT, what can I say is, OP is equals to OQ, that is the perpendicular distance from the center are also equal, यही prove करना था. So this is hence proved. So let's move on the next theorem, that is the reverse, that is the converse of the previous theorem, that is the chords of the circle which are equidistant from the center are equal. अगर ये जो center से line आ रही है, that is OP and OQ, ये अगर equal है, then we have to prove that the chords are also equal. So we have to prove, in this question we have to prove that AB is equals to DC. हमें basically prove क्या करना है, AB DC के equal है. So what we will do is, we will take these two triangles, we can say in triangle OPB and OQD, right, that is OB is equals to OD, that is radius, this is D, OD, that is the radius of the circle, and what is given that the chords are, we have to prove that the chords are equal, right, as it is given that OP is equals to OQ and angle P, ये OP is equals to OQ तो already given है, और angle P is equals to angle Q, each 90 degree. So by RHS criteria, triangle OPB is congruent to triangle OQD. So by CPCT, I can say PB is equals to DQ. If PB is equals to DQ, that means twice of PB is equals to twice of DQ. ठीक है? Or we already know that from the previous terms that if the chords are, if the perpendicular distance is equal, then the perpendicular distance from the center bisects the chord. जो perpendicular distance आ रहा है center से, वो क्या कर रहा है, chord को bisect कर रहा है. That means twice of PB मतलब क्या होगा, AB. And twice of DQ means DC. So by CPCT we can say AB is equals to CD, hence proved. So let's move on the next theorem, that is the measure of angle suspended at any point of the circumference of the circle in from the same arc is equals to the half of the angle suspended at the center. That means जो angle center पे suspend किया गया है और जो center circle पे suspend किया हुआ है, ठीक है, वो center के क्या half है. That means if it is x, then it is x by 2. ठीक है, as we know that AO is equals to OP because they are the radii of the circle, right? And this means that if I take it as this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, this is angle 4, this is angle 5, and this is angle 6. Okay, this will be easier for me, right? So if AO is equals to OP, that means angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Okay, because if angles opposite to equal sides are equal. ठीक है, इसके आगे लिख देते हैं angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Right. Similarly, we can say that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to angle 3. That is exterior angle property. ठीक है, बिकॉज हमें सेंटर और जो ये एंगल P है इसके बीच में लिंक बनाना है, तो हमने क्या किया, एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी का यूज किया, दैट इज एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 2 इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल 3. So we can say twice of angle 1 is equals to angle 3 because angle 1 is equals to angle 2. That means angle 1 is equals to half of angle 3. So this is the first equation. Similarly, if I take this triangle, that is, this was triangle POA. Okay, now about triangle POB, we know that PO is equals to OB. That means angle 4 is equals to angle 6. Same property, angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Similarly, angle 4 plus angle 6 is equals to angle 5, exterior angle property, right? So we can say twice of angle 4 is equals to angle 5 or angle 4 is equals to angle 5 by 2. Same property जो हमने पीछे यूज करी है, ठीक है. From first and second, adding first and second, angle 1 plus angle 4 is equals to half of angle 3 plus half of angle 2. Sorry, half of angle 4. सॉरी, एंगल 5, यहाँ 5 आना था, आई हैव रिटन रॉन्ग. ठीक है, तो एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 4 मिला के क्या बना रहे हैं, एंगल ए पी बी, एंड हाफ कॉमन एंगल 3 प्लस एंगल 5 मिलके क्या बन रहा है, ए ओ बी. तो यही तो प्रूफ करना था कि एंगल यहाँ बन रहा है, एंगल ए पी बी, ये क्या है, ए ओ बी का हाफ है, यही प्रूफ करना था. सो हेंस प्रूव्ड. Okay, so let's move on the last term of this video, that is the opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Cyclic quadrilateral means a quadrilateral inside a circle. ठीक है, वो cyclic कब होगा, that if the opposite angle का जो sum है वो क्या हो जाएगा, 180 डिग्री. ठीक है, तो मैं let कर रही हूँ this be angle 1 and this be angle 2. As we already know, first of all tell me, is there any relation between beta and angle 2? Yes, there is a relation, that is angle beta is half of angle 2. We already know how. In the previous term, we have already discussed, that is, the angle suspended on the circle is half the angle suspended and on the center of the circle, right? That means beta is equals to half of angle 2. Okay? Similarly, if I talk about alpha and angle 1, same case we can say, that is alpha is equals to half of angle, which? Angle 1. Okay? Alpha is half of angle 1. So we have to prove that the alpha plus beta is 180 degree. So we have to add it. So alpha plus beta is equals to half of angle 2 plus half of angle 1. ठीक है, that means half of angle 2 plus angle 1. और angle 2 plus angle 1 मिलके total complete angle बना रहे हैं, that is 360 degree. So half of 360 degree, that is 180 degree. So we can say that alpha plus beta is equals to 180 degree. So इनका opposite angles का sum क्या है, supplementary. So hence proved. So this was all about the theorems related to chapter circles. I hope you like the video. If you like it, subscribe it. Thank you.